Alright, well, caught my first walleye of the morning. Had the camera off and didn't even have nothing on. But put them in the live well. I'm going to end up taking them home for the night. That's what I wanted to find. Oh, what the hell is going on here? Oh, I don't know what this is, but it snatched line. Well, little bass. Not too little, but he's little. There we go. Little bass for the day. Let's set the hook. There we go. Fish on. What do you know? Friggin' rock bass. Little rock bass. Don't know what he's doing way out here. A little smallmouth now. Alright. Well, I'm gonna move spots. Little smallmouth, rock bass, and largemouth. I think I'm sitting on bass, but I am after walleye today. See if I can't find them again. Bobber's down. Fish on. What we got? A little smallmouth. Well, little smallmouth. Oh, that's a nice fish too. Real nice one. Well, at least it felt like a nice one at first. Not bad. There we go. Another little largemouth. Alright, so got a nice little bass. After walleye out here on a rock hump, seemed like the bass are all sitting on the rock humps now, and the walleye, I do not know where they're at. I've been looking for him all morning. It is now 11 o'clock and I've been out here since 6 a.m. and caught one walleye that I was not videoing. But come across some bass. We're gonna have a pretty good day with that too. Ooh, fish on. There we go. Not very big. But it is a fish. Oop. Those are snippers. There we go. Another nice little bass. On the frog. Fish on. Oh, this is turning out to be a blast with these bass. Little toad runner is crushing it today. There we go, another little bass on the toad runner. So the walleye bite really slowed down, so today I am running right now I am running a little frog, and they call it a toad runner. It's got a little paddle tail on the back, and it's doing pretty well with the bass right now. It acts like a little buzz bait on top of the water. It's got a little propeller behind them that flops with the frog in front. Very effective for smaller bass. Been trolling you around for a while now. Make some use of you. Fish on! Ugh, got him! Oh, he came off right at the boat. Yeah. Not what I was after. Little baby bluegill. Fish on. Rock bass. Now, at least I'm catching fish now. Little rock bass. Get them back. See if we can't pull anything else off. Bobber going down. Something playing with it. There we go. Fish on. That one feels a little better too. Maybe they're just wrapping me up and stuff. All right. Little smallmouth. Yeah. Little smallmouth. I think I'm fishing a set of pallets down there, and it's loaded up with bass pretty good. Put them back and grab some more. Oh, fish on. Oh, it feels better. It feels a lot better. It's taking drag. Must be a bigger smallmouth. Yeah. Oh, there he is. Yes. Nice size smallmouth. Oh, I better net this guy. There we go. There we go. Oh. So, another smallmouth, biggest fish of the day. I'd say he's probably about 2 pounds maybe, give or take. Not sure, don't have a scale, but yeah, nice little smallmouth. So, end of the day, starting to come around pretty nice. We're gonna put them back and see if we can't pull out another one. Fish on. Little walleye on the snap jig. Just a little guy. Way too small, probably 12 inches, but second walleye of the day. So throw him back, see if we can't snag another one. Bobber's going under, and fish on. What do we got here? What do you know? It's a walleye. "17-inch walleye. Keeper, take them home." Nice. All right, so today, pretty good day. It was hard fishing, but it was a pretty good day. Caught a handful of largemouth, some smallmouth, a real nice smallmouth. Ended up with 3 walleye for the day. One that I caught, I wasn't even videoing. The other one was probably like a 12-incher, and the one you just saw, which was 17 inches, got him in the boat. Worked hard for him all day, but managed to get it done. So I'm gonna call it a day. It's starting to rain. It's pushing 5 o'clock in the evening now. I'm gonna pull everything up. I'm gonna get out of here and go home. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you haven't done so yet, hit that subscribe button and the like button. Let's keep this thing going.